Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best science kit is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools a young explorer can get their hands on, offering a gateway to understanding the wonders of the universe right from their own home, sparking curiosity and fostering a lifelong love for discovery through hands-on experiments and engaging activities that make learning an adventure. Number 5. National Geographic Break Open Geodes. Get ready to uncover amazing crystals hidden within these rocks. It's an exciting way to explore geology and find your own crystal treasures. This is a fantastic STEM activity for kids. You'll find a wide range of beautiful crystals inside. We've carefully selected these to offer you the best possible variety. Prepare to be amazed by the natural beauty within each one. These are real natural specimens, varying in size from ping pong to tennis ball. The thrill of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty inside is what makes this so fun. It's a hands-on way to learn and discover. Dive deeper into the fascinating science of geode formation with our detailed, full-color learning guide. It's packed with information to make science and learning enjoyable. This makes for a perfect gift. We are proud to develop products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. Our award-winning approach ensures a stellar experience for everyone. Enjoy the fun and discovery. What we like. If you love the thrill of discovery and want to uncover hidden natural beauty, this is for you. You get to break open real rocks and find amazing crystals inside. It's a fantastic way to engage with geology and experience the excitement of finding your own treasures. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and/or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. It comes with 10 geodes, goggles for safety, and display stands, which is a nice complete package. Number 4. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious young minds. This kit is packed with fun, hands-on projects that make learning an adventure. Dive into amazing projects like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and exploring geological wonders. It's a complete earth science lab right at your fingertips. With enough activities for multiple experiments, this kit is perfect for sharing. Enjoy the magic of scientific discovery together with family, friends, or classmates. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science behind each experiment easy and engaging. Your child will develop a lasting appreciation for earth sciences. Clear, step-by-step instructions ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Kids can build confidence as they experiment, focusing on the pure joy of exploration. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. For the child who wants to do it all, this massive science kit is the perfect choice. With over 100 experiments covering various earth sciences, it offers endless exploration. It's great for families or classrooms where multiple kids can share the joy of scientific discovery together. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The design is intuitive and easy for children to understand and operate. It offers a wide range of educational activities that keep kids engaged for hours. Number 3. National Geographic Gross Science Kit. Get ready for some seriously slimy and gooey fun. This kit is packed with everything you need for 15 outrageously gross experiments, with even more possibilities using items from your own home. Our guide makes it simple for kids to follow along with clear, illustrated steps. They'll not only have a blast but also learn the science behind each yucky creation. The excitement doesn't stop there. Inside, you'll find a bonus booklet with 30 additional experiments using everyday household items. It's an endless source of scientific discovery. While they're busy dissecting brains and making slime, children will be learning about fascinating scientific concepts. It's a fantastic way to engage young minds in STEM. We believe in creating top-notch, hands-on science toys that provide an unforgettable learning experience. Your satisfaction is our priority, ensuring a stellar educational adventure. What we like. If your child loves all things yucky and delightfully disgusting, this kit is a guaranteed hit. It offers a huge variety of gross experiments that are incredibly entertaining. It's ideal for kids who enjoy hands-on activities that are both hilarious and educational, making science unforgettable. What people say. Lots of different cool experiments to do. The instructions are easy to follow. The experiments don't take too long. It's super fun and educational. This kit contains experiments that are gooey or yucky, and definitely enjoyed by my grandkids. Great quality of ingredients and interesting experiments. There is an explanation on every activity grounded in actual science. Number 2. Discovery Extreme Chemistry STEM Science Kit. Ready to become a mad scientist? This kit lets you conduct 30 awesome chemistry experiments right at home. Explore acid and base chemistry, color science, polymers, and more. It's a hands-on way to learn about the world. You'll use real science tools like pipettes and test tubes. Learn the scientific method from start to finish. Discover how chemistry is all around us. You can even use simple household ingredients to see science in action. This kit includes everything you need, from test tubes and pipettes to glow-in-the-dark powder and a bonus poster. Ideal for kids aged 8 and up, it's great for birthday parties, sleepovers, or just a fun day of discovery. What we like. This kit is for the aspiring young chemist who wants to dive deep into the world of reactions and molecules. It provides real chemistry tools and instructions to conduct 30 exciting experiments. If you're looking for a comprehensive at-home science experience that teaches the scientific method, this is an excellent option. What people say. I love that it allows my child and me to do so many different types of experiments so he can learn many different things as well as having fun doing it together. It doesn't matter the age of your child because they will want to do it with you. She absolutely loved doing all the experiments. I'm definitely buy it again. Number 1. Original Stationery Unicorn Crystal Growing Kit. Embark on a magical journey with our Unicorn Crystal Growing Kit. This all-inclusive set provides everything you need to create a dazzling unicorn-themed terrarium. Guide your child through a fun and educational experience. It's a perfect blend of science exploration and imaginative play, fostering creativity and learning. With ample space for artistic expression, this kit is ideal for unicorn and flower-themed projects. It's designed to inspire unique creations. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for girls who love STEM and creative activities. It's a wonderful way to encourage experimentation. Everything is included for a complete crafting adventure. You'll find crystal powder, a unicorn figure, and decorative items for a magical outcome. Watch as your own magical unicorn comes to life through crystal growth. It's a rewarding process from start to finish. What we like. This is the perfect gift for a child who adores unicorns and loves creative crafts with a touch of magic. It combines the fun of growing crystals with the joy of designing a beautiful unicorn-themed terrarium. If you're looking for a unique STEM activity that results in a lovely decorative piece, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Discovery Kids tent is easy to set up and take down. It comes with a carrying case for portability. The tent is made of durable material that can withstand rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.